Right here.
Alright. Yo, it's recording, man.
Oh.
Right here?
Yeah. Yo. When it comes to the streets, every time that I reach, I'm gonna hit you next week on your cell phone, the pager. When it comes to the drugs, not minor or major. In other words, you are bringing mad real when you come through. You don't wanna test, yo. You don't wanna test it, so that you might have, I might have, and you might grab, but I might grab.
Yeah.
In other words, I got this business as well, better than having 2 minutes to quit. I'm not shooting at some shit on this cheese and come through like Jack did, you know, the trip. I got the bitch in your face, and it don't matter where you live or your fucking race. It don't matter what car you drive, you turn to. I'm better than a car with 9. Car with 9 better than a nigga that might do it, you don't like drive by. Some do what you don't want to drive by. Because you don't want to stay by. You want the man for the last time. You know, your last crime, but your last run might be at might be unacceptable as an MC. In other words, you might be doing birds. Niggas get cracked in the dome with bottles, and I come through not a little but a full throttle. I hit you in the head with this bottle, and I don't need this bottle just to fight you. I don't have a party with your girl and don't invite you. In other words, you bitch. When I come, I might kick up your body because you style in the bitch.
Yeah. Gloves, nigga. Yo, that shit was tight.
That's what happens, show, man.
Alright. Straight John Divine out here in SC, man. The motherfucking sun is just nice and perfect. You know what I mean?
I drop that deal. Niggas know the deal. Knock a nigga out, knock the man down, hold the still. Straight up though. Contact my motherfucking hammer. Let them know I'm the motherfucking gang. Nigga right to the still hood. I'm at the fucking back, car hood. Watch the tip, fuck the tip. And the flip back, nigga, right to the bitch. Had a picture of earth with my eyes. I'm trying to put the nigga back. Walk around the street. What is the motherfuckers? They all sit in the morning, bitches. Backing up on the lunar. I'm about to push it. I put them down with the 1, 3, and 2. The mic is the pop. It's a stuff. On the list. I can have to let the stuff. Walk like this. Walk this. Walk this. Walk this. Walk this. Fucking Tony and it's nothing to know, baby. Yo, this